Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we'll be adding elements to a group photo and changing the scenery using the AI Image Editor tool. To start, go ahead and click on the AI Image Editor tool. You will notice an empty box in the center where you can upload your image by either clicking and dragging and dropping it in, or just click to upload. Here, we have a picture of a group of friends posing together on a boat. In this exercise, we will try 3 different prompts which will change the story of the image. Let's go ahead and start with our first prompt. To do this, go ahead and enter your prompt in the prompt box. I entered in the man on the right is holding a fishing pole. The man on the left is holding a big tuna fish. Change the background to an ocean setting. Before we click edit, take a look at your settings and choose your model type, your aspect ratio, and output format. And then click on the edit button. Go ahead and move the slider to take a look at the changes. Next, let's try another prompt. To do this, go ahead and clear your prompt box and enter in a brand new prompt. I entered in all 4 men are holding coffee cups, wearing mittens, beanies, and a scarf, then changing the background to a frozen lake with mountains. Take a look at your settings. Make sure you select Edit Original, and then click on the Edit button. Move the slider to take a look at the changes. Let's try another prompt. This time, I described them sitting around a campfire making s'mores. Check your settings. Then click on the Edit button. Move the slider to take a look at the changes. If you are satisfied with the image, click on the Download button.